Welcome to Novelis, a global leader in flat-rolled aluminum products and the world's largest recycler of aluminum. We're excited to take you behind the scenes to explore not only what we do, but also the exciting career opportunities that you can pursue with us in the future. With over 12,000 employees across 33 locations in 9 countries, including 3 right here in Ohio, Novelis is all about making a positive impact on the world, and that starts with our employees. Along the way, you'll hear from some of our team members about what it's like to work here and how they turn their interests into careers. Let's dive in and explore the possibilities at Novelis.
Hello, my name's Aaron Bennett. I'm the plant manager of the Novelis Warren facility. I have been in the aluminum industry for 33 years and here at this facility for the last 3 years. Everything I do has to be safety first. Safety always takes place before everything else. And then naturally you have to worry about the workforce, the culture, so that we can all work together to produce quality product safely every day. We're all here in a very sustainable market with longevity that people look at for a career, something that's going to last, that you can start at a young age and retire from someday.
My name is Danny Binion Jr. and I am a journeyman millwright. I went through a state-certified apprenticeship program at Copperwell Steel from '95 to 1999. Being a skilled tradesman, it made it easier for me to get quality work, good pay, because I was in the trades and we're in high demand. I enjoy working with my hands, working with hand tools and repairing things, so I get a certain amount of satisfaction out of fixing equipment and getting the mill up and running. Learning, listening, troubleshooting have all helped me get to this position where I'm at today. Mechanical inclination, listening skills, people skills. I depend on people, I depend on the operators to help me and fix the machinery and get the mill going. Any free training that you can get, any government programs, look into those things. They're out there, you have to seek them out. They will not come to you, you will have to go to them. And that is just something that also has been very rewarding for me.
I'm Kayla Zatello. I'm the process leader here at Warren, so I oversee the process and quality department. My day varies quite a bit from day to day. Some days it's meetings all day long, and some days it's looking into coils, trying to see if they're good for the customer or not good for the customer. Some days it's working with the lab to make sure everything is running properly. So it kind of varies day to day, but it's all very quality focused. I have a bachelor's in chemical engineering from YSU, close to here. And then I do have a master's in materials as well. I started in the quality lab, just looking at the coils day to day, making sure that they were good for the customer. And then when the process leader that was here took a different role, I moved up into the process leader spot, and I've been process leader for about 2 years. So I really like working with my team. I think we work well together. And I also really enjoy the kind of investigative side of the qualities. There's a lot of little things that we need to look at, and the process of investigating. Is this coil good? Does it match the specifications? I think from the lab level all the way up to the process lead level, there's an attention to detail there that's needed as well. What I pull on a lot is my problem solving and kind of critical thinking skills. So I try and pull on my research background and things like that aren't necessarily aluminum focused, but still see what skills can I develop there, and who can I ask? Who can I look at and see what they're doing and say, oh, that seems like a really good approach. Let me see how I can do things a little more like that. Or who can I reach out to try and get into a training or into some kind of mentoring thing to build my communication or my problem solving skills. I think the job shadowing could be really useful, and kind of any event or thing that's going on that focuses on that field, like a manufacturing night, and you can see what those companies are doing and what their employees do. I think trying to take advantage of any of those opportunities that a school or an organization might offer could be really helpful.
My name is Delshawn Burgess. I'm Associate Operations Leader. A typical day in this role would be to safely produce metal. One of my first jobs, I was actually in high school still, was Home Depot, and that's where I learned how to drive a tow motor. That's usually the lower level position. That's always a good start. Everyone gets along. Usually everyone smiles everywhere you go. That makes my day. If there's anyone that is in this field, ask them questions. Feel free to always call business numbers, HRs, ask questions about what does the job entail. Have a good attitude, be open to learning, be willing to commit themselves to the position.
Coca-Cola, one of our biggest customers. This plant produces this part of the can, this end part. we run about 14.5 to 15 million pounds a month. That is enough to make 3.32 billion cans out of this plant alone. Inside this tab, there's a little letter indicating what facility it was made at. This one in particular has an H, which I know is Huron, that I know is a customer of the Warren facility. So I now make it a habit, every can I open, I look at that and try to decide if that's one of my customers or not. A lot of pride there.
Once the aluminum has completed its journey through the facility, it is carefully loaded to be shipped to customers all over the world, where it will be transformed into products we use every day. Each step of this process relies on skilled professionals, from production to quality control. If you're passionate about problem solving, teamwork, or contributing to a more sustainable future, this could be the career path for you. Thank you for joining us, and we hope this inspires you to take the next step in exploring your future at Novelis.